Hi, this is Laura with Region 3. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a double-sided spatula. I'm going to be working on a grilled cheese sandwich. We have the grilled cheese pre-made, and right now we're going to be using the griddle and keeping the spatula on the griddle. I'm going to scoop up the sandwich onto the griddle and make sure the temperature's right. Sometimes people like to use spreadable butter, but for this presentation we won't need to because it is a griddle. And make sure the bread is nice and warm. Leave it there for a couple of minutes, kind of pat it around a little bit, and you can kind of feel where it is. And sometimes you can get a little bit of a smell and a little bit of a hearing, just to see how well it is, or how close you're getting for it to be done. And then after that, if you feel like it's getting done, you can slowly turn it around and then push it again and see when it's going to be done on the other side. So when it's done, then you use the other side of the spatula. Excuse me. It's not always perfect, but then you just take it off and put it back.